as I mentioned on Friday show, we spend a fair amount on Amazon Prime, and so I see a lot of the DPD lorry, and it's always a stinky diesel, and now
to see what is maybe also for some of the customers they become very enthusiastic about that, and others maybe are a little bit more shy. They need to be convinced. They don't like to change what they're used to. For they
came along and they put a gun to Maggie's head. If they said to me, give me all your money or I will shoot your dog, and Macaroni doesn't have fear. He's not capable because he doesn't understand what a gun is. He doesn't die anymore. Freaking out.
It's King George's field.
Donald Trump.
Jim Kerr.
Chris Christopherson. You wouldn't even notice they were there. They're trained. Yeah, and then another cat pops out and security cat goes. I'll make my elbow out there, you worry about me. I'll see you back at this. That kind of thing.
Oh, that's good. I'm pleased.
Someone's put Chris Exotic.
No way. No way.
Wet looked gel each day to make it stay in its short.
What else?
I love Babe Station.
Alright, way too loud. Welcome to the... What?
Oh,
go on.
What is wrong with us, Tom?
I know, I don't know.
Oh, I know what's wrong with you. You filthy pervert.
Sorry.
Welcome to the podcast. We call the man again. He turns up with a new button, looking at us going, get out of my house. Anyway, it went again, didn't it? Old Tiff, she raw fingers. Old giant hates digits. Beep. No, it's not on. Vicky McClure. And they go, oh, well, he's done this really good thing for charity. And I go, great. But he's also done this thing for charity. Okay. But he's also doing this thing for charity. And I'm like, I actually don't know where hours in the day, because you are doing, all jokes aside, a lot of stuff.
It's, you know, it's time, it's time on, isn't it? It's, the only question, so much to do, in the job, and I know it's a strange time, because everybody's asking for money from everyone, and nobody's got any money, and everybody's had to be a bit like the PPE and everything else.
At Lloyds Bank, we know that money is a concern for a lot of people during this time.
I'm really worried about the business.
I think it's the overture.
Back to the Future. Yeah.
Are we right, intern Will?
That is correct.
Yes. Now, are these some of your favourite movies?
Not.
Yeah, Stevie Wonder Superstition.
Yeah.
Alright. Who have you put for the drummer?
No one. I've no idea.
Tom?
I haven't put a drum on.
James?
I've got Stevie. Is that the Eddie Murphy of the music world? Plays all his own instruments.
Stevie? Well, you think
Yeah.
Stevie Wonder?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Toby?
It's going to really annoy me. It's somebody really well known and modern, and I can't remember.
I'm with James. I've gone Stevie Wonder.
Have you?
Oh no.
From you guys and from friends going, oh my god, I loved it on Friday. I loved this bit. This bit was my favourite. Or this bit really made me laugh.
It's so easy.
clumsy, it won't even make your to-do list.
Call Eddie Personal.
Calling Eddie Personal, mobile.
One less thing to worry.